Hey there, video editors. If you're looking to add a chilling and cinematic touch to your horror projects, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into our horror seamless transitions for Premiere Pro, designed to elevate your editing game and captivate your audience. These transitions are not just ordinary cuts. They bring an intense and eerie vibe that perfectly matches the suspenseful nature of thrillers and horror movies. Whether you're working on a short film, a suspenseful YouTube video, or a dramatic scene, these transitions will ensure your edits are smooth and hauntingly immersive. With each transition, your viewers will stay on edge, feeling every moment of suspense. Trust me, these effects are exactly what you need to give your video that professional and spine-tingling touch. You will find the download link for this template in front of you now on the screen, and you will also find it in the video description and in the first comment. Now, before we get started, if you enjoy content that boosts your editing skills, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips, templates, and editing tricks. Alright, without further ado, let me walk you through how to edit and customize these seamless horror transitions in Premiere Pro. Let's dive in.